Good day, sir. We are the group 3, and our topic is all about lateral marks and cardinal marks. So, I am the cadet Binlot Jefferson. I'm I will discussing all about lateral marks region A. Course outcome. To know what is cardinal marks and lateral marks. Learning outcome. Able to identify what is lateral marks and cardinal marks. Importance of the topic. The students will have the knowledge about what is lateral marks and cardinal marks. Lateral marks. Lateral marks are generally used for well-defined channels, in conjunction with a conventional direction of voyage. The lateral marks help to indicate which side of the waterway is to be followed. The port mark should be kept to the vessel left side, and starboard marks to its right. However, when a vessel travels downstream, the position of marks will change accordingly, port marks on right side while starboard marks on its left. Voyage region. The boundaries of the two voyage regions, A and B, in which the colors of lateral marks and their lights are reversed. Colors. Red and green are the colors reserved for lateral marks. Top marks. Port hand port hand marks carry can-shaped top marks, and starboard hand marks carry conical top marks when fitted. So, the top marks of port side carry a can shape or square shape, while the starboard side is conical top marks or triangle. Lights. When exhibited, red and green lights are used for lateral marks. Lighted lateral marks used for certain purposes have lights with specified rhythms. Composite group flashing is 2 plus 1 for preferred channel marks. Quick or very quick for new danger marks. Other lateral marks may have lights of any rhythm. Sequence. If marks at the side of a channel are numbered or lettered, the sequence follows the conventional direction of voyage. So, letter marks in region A. In the port hand, the color is red, the shape is pillar or spar, the top mark when fitted is single red can, and the retroreflector is red band or square. While the starboard hand, the color is green, the shape is pillar or spar, the top mark when fitted is single green cone upward or triangle. So the port hand, as you can see in the illustration, it is a the color is red and the top mark is single red can, and the starboard side is green while the top mark is triangle or conical. The preferred channel to starboard. Color is red with one broad green band, while the shape is can, pillar or spar. The top mark is single red can, while the retroreflector is red band or square. While the preferred channel to port is the color is green with one broad red band. The shape is conical pillar or spar. The top mark is single green cone point upward, while the retroreflector is green band or triangle. So, the latter marks in region B will be discussed in my other group mates. Thank you.
So, good day, sir. I am Cadet Mark Brian L. Katamko, and I am here to explain the lateral marks in Region B. So, in Region B is just a little bit unlike to the Region A because our port hand color and shape Port hand color is green. The shape is can, pillar, or spar. And the tarp marks is with when fitted single green can. Retro reflector given band or square. So in the port hand is unlike to the region A because in region B is color green and the shape is can. So let's go to the starboard hand. So in starboard hand is the color is red, the shape is conical, pillar, or spar, and the top mark is when fitted single and cone point upward. Retroreflector is red band or triangle. So in the region A is green color and the shape is can. So next slide please. So let's go with the prepared channel. So in the prepared channel is a little bit also unlike to the region A because in the region B is prepared channel to starboard. We have the color of green with one band red green with one board red band. Then the shape is can, pillar, or spar. And the top mark is when fitted single green can. Retro reflector is green band or square. So let's go with a prepared channel to port. Color is red with one broad green band and the shape is conical, pillar, or spar. And the top mark is when fitted single red cone point upward. Retroreflector is red band or triangle. So as you can see, there's a little bit unlike to the region A. So this prepared channels is belong to the region B. So next slide. So the cardinal marks is proposed by my co-members.
Good day, sir. I am Dec Cadet Bokotot Ayan. I'm here
So I'm the
to discuss the cardinal marks. Cardinal marks are used in conjunction with compass to show the mariner where the best navigable water can be found. They are positioned in one of the four quadrants, north, south, east, and west, defined by intercardinal bearings. Next slide. There are uses of cardinal. Cardinal marks may be used to indicate that the deepest water in an area is on the named side of the mark. Indicate the safe side on which to pass a danger. Draw attention to a feature in a channel such as bend, junction, bifurcation, or end of shoal. The tarp marks. Black double cone tarp marks are very important feature of cardinal marks. They are carried whenever practical, with cones as large as possible and clearly separated. The arrangement of the cones must be memorized, more difficult to remember than north, triangle, and south, are east and west, dark marks, where wine glass may help. The colors, black and yellow bands are used to color cardinal marks. Next, the next slide is going to report the mark.
the next slide, the position of the black band or bands is related to the points of the black top mark. Those in north points up, the color is black band above yellow band. In the south is point down, then the color is black band and yellow band. In the west is point inward, the color is black band with color band above and below. In the east, point outward, then the color is black band above and yellow band. And the shape is the shape of cardinal mark is not significant, but in the case of boy, it is a pillar or spar. Lights. White light are exhibited from cardinal marks which are lightened. Their characteristics are based on a group, quick or very quick flashes which distinguish them as a cardinal mark and indicate their quadrant. The distinguished quick or very quick rhythm are in the north is anong, uninterrupted, and east is three flashes in a group. South is six flashes in a group followed by a long flash. Then in the west is nine flashes in a group. Next slide, pre. To aid the memory of the number of flashes in each group can be associated with a clock face. Those 3 o'clock in the east, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock west, retroflectors, one more white bands, letters, numericals or symbol of the retroreflector materials are used in the standard code to distinguish unlightened cardinal mark. Those are north, blue on the black part and yellow on the yellow part. In this is two blue on the upper black part. In the south is yellow on the yellow part and blue on the black part. East west, two yellow on the upper yellow part. Reflectors, retro reflectors. One more white bands, letter numericals or symbol to reflect. So retroreflective materials are used in standard distinguish unlightened cardinal marks. Blue and yellow bands on the black and yellow parts of the mark are used in the comprehensive code. North is blue on the black part and yellow on the yellow part. East is two blue on the yellow part and blue on the black part. West, two yellow on the upper yellow part. Next slide. So, cardinal marks. Color, black and yellow. Shape, pillar or spar if a boy. Top mark, two black cones. Reflector, yellow and or yellow, blue and or yellow. So, this is the sample of cardinal marks in the north, south, east, and west. Express. So the reference is for the final week, and then here's the link of asa may gakuha sa among report. And thank you.